Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Kels. By the title of the video, you know what is going down. Today guys, I'll be showing you guys how you can get from a 0 to 100 subscribers fast, or from 100 to 1,000 super fast. No, a question that us small YouTubers ask ourselves every day is, how can we get discovered on YouTube? It's like being on YouTube as a small YouTuber is like a single strand of this hair. Like, there is so much persons out there doing so much things, but you can still make your way. No, hashtag YouTube shorts may have been the answers that we have been waiting for. Alright guys, let me just reiterate it one more time. I said this might be the answer that you might be waiting for. Now just take a moment right now to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. Alright, so just let's get right into the video and not waste any time. Alright guys, so let me just give you some background history on YouTube Shorts. Now, currently on the home page of YouTube, it has a section that is dedicated for stories. However, it is limited to persons, or it is limited to persons with over 10,000 subscribers. Now, I cannot say with certainty that the YouTube Shorts is not still in beta, but currently I know that it is in India. But we as small YouTubers is not completely cut off from that feature. We just cannot use the extra camera tools that they have created, or that they have been talking about. Now, basically hashtag shorts is basically a backdoor entry into YouTube Shorts. So by including hashtag shorts, you would be able to have a chance to be shown on the stories and short videos on the homepage. Now, any creator can publish and record. Now, imagine guys, if you could get your videos on the story, or short videos, and it started to generate traffic. Now that would be very great for your channel. No, I don't have the theory or the algorithm on how to get on the suggested page, but from what I am seeing, your channel size does not really seem to matter. Alright guys, so just let me go into right now just to show you what YouTube said about if you don't have the camera access as yet. Now, if you don't have the camera access to Shorts camera yet, you can still upload your existing vertical videos that are less than 60 seconds using the hashtag Shorts in the title or description. It says we'll be testing out a section on the YouTube page to highlight videos created from the Shorts camera, as well as any vertical video up to 60 seconds that have been uploaded to YouTube. Now guys, basically what I get from that is that we still have a chance to be discovered. Now guys, let me just jump right into the requirements that you would need to be able to have a chance for this. The first requirement is that it must be vertical. Now, our normal YouTube videos is horizontal. Now, you have to remember this has to be vertical because it can fool you. It actually fooled me a couple of times while I was testing it out, and I kept on uploading a vertical video, and I was wondering what was wrong with it. Why wasn't it automatically showing as shorts? After reloading about 3 to 4 times, I realized that it was a horizontal video instead of a vertical. So you have to be cognizant of the fact that it has to be vertical. Now, the second one is that it must be less than 60 seconds. Now, that is simple because we all know what 60 seconds is. So it has to be under 60 seconds. So try to aim for 59 and anywhere there. The next one is that you must include hashtag shorts in the title or the description. Now, in the title of the video, you can just add hashtag shorts at the end, or you can just add it in the description, hashtag shorts. So basically, those are the only 3 requirements needed for us to be able to have a chance to be discovered on the YouTube stories or YouTube shorts. Now guys, what I'm going to do now, is that I am going to show you guys a testing. So basically I'm going to test out YouTube Shorts. I'm going to put in Shorts into the search section, and we're just going to analyze what comes up to see how it can actually impact us small YouTubers. Okay guys, so I wrote in hashtag shorts, and what I did afterwards was to just filter it so that I can see what was the newest ones and how it actually was impacting the other channels. Now after I did this guys, I realized that I was seeing like a lot of big channels. So you can see that a lot of big channels are utilizing this feature. So why shouldn't we small YouTubers jump on board? So basically what I had to do was to refilter it and to find a channel that actually was very small. So I found this channel, and it has 183 subscribers guys. Look at that. And when I went into videos and I checked out the most popular video, this video was loaded 2 days ago. Prank on my dog, hashtag short videos, and it gained 51,000 views guys. Look at that. It opened up this channel. That's why I said guys, it might not work for everybody, but it is a stepping stone into what can be. On your computer guys, you're going to head over to your YouTube, manage your videos, and you're going to go to customization. It is a new feature, and you're just going to, well, I already have the YouTube short. So what I'm going to do guys is just to delete it quickly and to show you guys how I actually add it to the top section of my YouTube page. Now you're going to look at featured sections, and you're going to select add section. Now when you add section, there's an option for short videos. You're going to click that, and then it's going to come up at the bottom. Now you want it to be at the top so that as persons visit your page, they will be able to see your short videos. So basically it would be a summary of what your channel is about. So voila, there it is guys. So guys, this is basically it for the video. Now if there's anything you did not understand and you would need me to reiterate, you can always comment down below, ask me how it's done. I'll always respond. Or if you need me to make additional videos about what I'm finding out about YouTube Shorts and how it can help to maximize not only your subscribers but also your watch hours, then yeah, just don't be afraid, just shoot me up guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and you actually learned something from it and will put it into practice. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment. Bye guys, see you next time.